This is Pioneer's AVH-1440NEX. This is an in-dash AM/FM and HD radio, CD and DVD receiver with a 6.2-inch touchscreen. The AVH-1440NEX is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The AVH-1440NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and playback MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we'll start off here with the wire harness. Now, the wire harness here is to connect power, ground, and speakers and so forth, other electrical connections from the vehicle to the in-dash receiver. Next, we have a handful of installation screws, some install screws. Here's the wireless remote control included in the box. Next, we have the USB extension. We include a USB extension in the box because the USB port is on the back of the in-dash receiver. We can use this to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. Next up, we have the Bluetooth microphone for hands-free calling. The Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Next up, we have the quick start guide and installation manual. Remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right to your phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the warranty card. All right, let's get the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-1440NEX has a simple layout. The volume control is here, and the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. The CD and DVD player is here at the top. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. The back panel of the AVH-1440NEX starts off with 2 black plugs up here. The Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM, and the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit will plug in right here. Here is the USB port that can be used for Apple CarPlay. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB thumb drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. This is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. And they can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer out, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port is for adding on the optional AVIC U280 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here is the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. This can also be used as a second camera input. And finally, the AM/FM and HD radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-1440NEX and what's in the box.